I believe, depending on the product category you're going to sell, some product categories are, by nature of the product, more litigious than others. And it tends to be products that are aimed at children, products that are topical products, and products that are ingesters, so things that you apply to your skin or things that you eat. Those three things tend to be, on Amazon at least, the most litigious. Now, there is a good argument to say that if you're in those categories, it is worthwhile starting with a Pty Ltd company, an Australian company, because that company affords you some personal protection should things go tits up. That's a technical term, tits up. Should things go tits up, it affords you some protection. Limited liability company. The company protects you. That's the very, very nature of a Pty Ltd company. Now, of course, I ain't an accountant, I ain't a lawyer, nor do I play one on the internet. So you want to make sure you get some advice, but that's my understanding. So yes is the short answer to that. Amazon will definitely want you, as Kate Ingham so often says, to get your ducks in a row. Now, what does that really mean, getting your ducks in a row? What does that actually mean? Well, what it means is your business name matches the business name you put into Amazon, not your seller name. That's a different thing entirely, okay? Business name, nobody sees that. Seller name, client-facing seller name, okay? Different things. So your business name, what you register for your ABN, what's registered at ASIC, should be the same thing that's registered with Amazon. Ditto your bank account. So your bank account should be in the name of your business. It should also be registered at the same place that your business is registered at. If that's a registered office, great. If it's your home, great. It should be registered. So all of those things should line up. And then the place that you put into your Amazon account, when you start your Amazon account, the address that you give should be the same as the address at your bank account, as the address of your ABN. All of those things should line up. Your email address, it's great if you can give an email address that matches your business name as well. That's also awesome. Also, the way that you register your business name, if you're going to put it through a company, make sure that matches too. What Amazon does is it goes and checks all of those things. That's what it does. And so if it sees everything matching up, your registered business is the same in your Amazon account as it is at ASIC. Your registered address is the same. Your business bank account is in your business name, etc., etc., etc. If it sees all those things lining up nicely, it goes, these guys know what they're doing. They're in. They're in. If those things don't match up, they go, wait a minute, these don't match up. Let's send it to somebody else to go and check it further. And that's where the delays happen, all right? So if you want to get through fast, ducks in a row. If you don't mind the delays, don't put your ducks in a row. Talking of accountants, this guy who runs this company here, very, very smart guy called Arnold Shields, just so happens that he's one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs too. These are brilliant. If you're going to get a company up, get Arnold to do it. He really understands Amazon. He already sells on Amazon. He's an Amazon seller. As I said, he's in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs too. They'll do it for you. They'll do a brilliant job. So if you're looking for an accountant for Amazon, use Arnold and his team. They'll do a fantastic job for you. Hope that helps. Lots of people saying that Arnold's great. By the way, if you are thinking of it, when you call Dolman Bateman, say, hey, I'm in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and we get a free session. Now that means you'll get a free session with Arnold, who, by the way, is $500 an hour for his time. You'll get a free session with Arnold and he'll help you make sure you got everything right, and he'll give you that for free. Just mention Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you'll get that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.